Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Windows Defender from deleting files Windows 11. To start, we see that when trying to execute a file, it gives an error, deleting it. To avoid this, from the search box, enter Security. Click on Windows Security. After, go to Firewall and Network Protection. Here, click on Public Network. After, disable the Microsoft Defender firewall switch. Click Yes to confirm the process. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. After that, click on Manage Settings. In this window, turn off the real-time protection switch. You must click Yes to confirm the action. Now you can open files without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.